Hey everybody, it's Alexandria Moulding and we are back at it again, bringing you another version of our shiplap. This one we call the Reversible Rustic Shiplap. What is it? Well, it still has the innovative nailing line with built-in locking joint. Still very easy to install. But on top of that, on one face you're going to find shiplap or nickel gap, and on the rear you're going to find a flush mount side. So you can install one side or the other. On top of that, we thought we'd give you 4 different colors to choose from. So we've got Earl Grey, we've got soft white, we got natural, and we got coffee bean. You'll find the product in stores packaged in boxes. Easy to haul. There's 8 pieces and they're all 48 inches long. Additionally, in store what you can find is a ply cap. So if you're only doing a half wall install and you need a ply cap to finish off, we've got 4 matching colors for that ply cap. Different ways of installing this product? Well, there's a couple different applications. You can do horizontal, you can do vertical, diagonal, herringbone, or if you want to let your imagination flow, you could also mix and match the colors and create something on your wall. Want to see how it all works? Follow me. We'll do a quick install. All right, well, there we have it, the two installs. The first one was the nickel gap install. This one is the flush mount, okay? Not sure if you noticed this, but when you nail into the nail line of the product, once you lock the next piece over top, it covers that nail. So that means you're doing half the nailing, half the install time, and most of all, no touch-ups to do. Product is all finished and ready to go. If you want to have more details on this product, or you'd like to see the instructions in writing, follow the link in the comments section to our website. And most of all, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, or if you got more questions, just submit those. We'll be glad to answer them. Thank you very much.